Guys?
Oh, gross!
Guys, do you really think this is a good idea?
Whoa, running on empty over here.
I know what you mean. I'm not feeling so hot.
Well, I'm not gonna say I told you so, but I told you so! Is everyone okay?
Yeah, but I don't know about orange.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Oh no, it's happening again. All right, people, battle station. I need you to be professional.
No sweat, Boba Fett.
What now?
I said no sweat, Boba Fett.
Is that a new catchphrase?
Maybe.
Whatever happened to Nito Burrito? That was aces.
Totally over it. That catchphrase is not catching on.
Dude, you gotta give it a chance.
Here, I think I've got something.